Welcome to part 1 of my 40 video free course on option trading in India. Over the next few weeks, I will go step by step, starting with basics like calls versus puts and how to read the NSE option chain, for example. Then I will move into probability and risk management and how you should think like a casino and not a gambler. And finally, advanced strategies that you will never see on Indian YouTube, such as Monte Carlo simulations, delta neutral trading, volatility arbitrage, and even how hedge funds actually trade options in India. So in short, first 10 videos are for both option buyers and sellers, and the rest after that is all for option sellers. So let's begin. Ever wondered how traders make money if Nifty barely moves, or why retail traders love buying weekly Nifty options? Well, let's break it down. An option is a derivatives contract. Its value comes from something else, usually Nifty, Banknifty, or a stock like Reliance. There are of two types, such as a call option and a put option. So the call option is the right to buy at a fixed price, and the put option is right to sell at a fixed price. And the fixed price is the strike price. And unlike shares, options have an expiry date. In India, index options expire weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly, while most stock options expire monthly and beyond till about 3 more months. So Nifty is at 22,000. Let's take an example, by the way. And you think it will rise. So you buy a call option at the strike of 20,100. And if Nifty goes to 20,300, your call will gain value because you bought it at 20,100, which is cheaper than the market. And similarly, if you think Nifty will fall, you buy a put at 19,900, and if Nifty drops to 19,500, your put is more valuable because you can sell at 19,900 when the market is lower. Now let me explain you what the option premiums are. So to buy an option, you need to pay a premium. Think of it like an insurance. You pay upfront, and depending on the market move, your option may become profitable or expire worthless. And here's the truth. Most retail traders in India lose this premium because they don't understand time decay, and I will explain that in the later on videos. So in short, options give you the right but not the obligation. There are of two types, calls and puts, and you pay a premium, and they expire weekly or monthly and quarterly and yearly. Okay, so this is the foundation, and in the next video I will simplify calls versus puts so you will never confuse them ever again.